I could be in serious trouble if I service the wrong boilers.
Show me the all damn day. Bumped in. Show me the all damn day. Staying home all damn day.
So apparently this is a half apartment, half condo building, and the ones I'm servicing right now are for the apartments, not the condos. They get their own people to do it. I do not want to talk about what I had to do to get that out. Yeah. So I was actually working in this boiler room the other day, and I just ran out of time, and all I have left to do is there's one circulator pump over here. There's actually more boilers in this boiler room than in this video. And since swapping this out, it's probably pretty repetitive by now, let's make it interesting. Just kidding, I knew it was bad.